maaga kung ano man, para maagapan kung ano man yan. Also. Pero naman, pag umaga naman si Jane, hindi naman ako inuubo. Pag umaga, tanghali, hindi naman ako inuubo. Paggabi lang. Oo, paggabi na lang ako inuubo. O,
Hello. Yeah, me too. I'm back. Thank you for coming. Sean is here again. Thank you for coming here, Sean. From Sean Smith, you are welcome. Thank you for the likes, Sean Smith. You're giving me a double thumbs up. Thank you. Aquatic you. Yeah. I'm sorry about earlier. Was watching Fortnite. Sorry. That's cool. It's cool. From Sean Smith, anytime. What time is it there, Sean? It's 10:20. So that's in the morning. From here, it's it's 10:20 also, but it's in the evening. Princess Anne Nood. Hi host. Hi host from Princess Anne Nood. Claudic. Hi Sean Smith. My time here is 9:20 a.m. Oh. Oh, it's because of the daylight saving time, I believe. Am I right? That's right, yeah. Damn, these graphics are. Which graphics? Pixelated. Yeah, I'm sorry. Is it mine? It's really pixelated. Shout out to you, bro. From Super Marky. Super Mark is here. Thank you for coming by, Super Marky. Hi to all watching this live stream. Thank you, Super Marky. If you're not yet friends with Super Marky, please hit his channel. He has a lot of cool stuff also. Super Marky said, hehe. Nosebleed na ako. Hindi naman. Grabe. I just got active again. Just got busy from work. Wala na, hanggang doon na lang alam kong English. Okay, fine. Hindi, kailangan nating mag-English kasi meron din tayong international na viewers. Like Sean Smith. Uh, he doesn't understand our language, so we should speak English. That way, he can understand us also. Yeah, yeah. Thank you, Super Marky. Claudic is also, I believe, he is also from uh, the United States. So we should speak English. Claudic said, I gotta go, but I'll be back later. Okay, sure, no problem. Take care. Then study us. Study us daw. Salamat sa ating tatlong viewers. Ay, apat pala, apat. Apat na viewers na patuloy na nanonood sa ating live. Speaking of English, I have an English challenge vlog a week ago. Please check it out. Sure, sure, no problem. I'll check it out. Guys, check out Super Marky's vlog all about the speaking English challenge. Uh, let's support his video. Hahaha, salamat. No problem. No problem. English only challenge, that is. Oh, so it's an English only challenge. If you have like suggestions on what I should do on my channel, what I should feature or something, please give me suggestions in the comment box below. Don't forget also to like hit the like button before you leave. Doc Lloyd Ben is here, saying hello, bro. Hello, hello. BK Monzito is here saying, I'm back. Hello everyone from BK Monzito. If you're not yet friends with BK Monzito, Doc Loy Ben, Super Marky, who else? Clarek, Sean Smith, Princess Anne Nood. Please uh, go to their channel. Oh, Mon Santiago is also here. He said, lol, lumabas sa notification ko, nagising ako. Sorry, ang ingay. Naingayan ka tuloy. Uh, I'll be uploading another vlog. It's another unboxing video. So please support that video. Don't forget to uh, hit the like button also, okay? Please. From Doc Lloydiben, hi Mon Santiago. Yeah. Mon Santiago, yes, Doc. With a smiling face. Mon Santiago, you don't have like a photo. Musta na bro from Doc Lloydiben. I'm doing good. Uh, I'm just catching up with the people in here in YouTube. Upload ako, sige. Upload ikaw, sige. Okay. From Sean Smith, hi Doc. BK Minzito says, wow, marami bro. Di naman. Sakto lang. From BK Monzito. Oh, Doc Lloydy Ben says, hello Sean, I'm back. Doc Lloydy Ben that says, let's support Sir Chris. I'm supposed to watch something here. It's loading. Really loading. Mas marami yung kanina from BK Monzito. From Sean Smith, welcome back, Doc. Pero okay lang, bro. Support kami sa'yo. Solid. From BK Monzito. Thank you. Thank you for your support. From Sean Smith. Hey, BK. He's waving his hands. From Doc Lloydy Ben. Doc Lloydy Ben says, thanks, Sean. Hi again, Sean. From BK Monzito. From Sean Smith, you're welcome, Doc. I'm glad that you're already friends here. From Nita Sherry. Hello, guys. Hi, host. Hello, hello. Hi. Hi, Nita. Hi, Nita from BK Monzito. Yeah. From Sean Smith. Hi, Nita. You're back. Yeah. Everyone is back. Thank you for dropping by. Kristoy, musta naman ka? Okay lang ko. I'm doing great. Sean, let's support Sir Chris also. From Nita Cherry. Sean Smith is also already supporting me, Nita. Ever since before. Sean Smith says that's cool. Nita Carey says yes. I might need to sleep because it's getting late already. Hi, Sir Chris from Lilibeth Paglinawan. Hello, everyone. I'm watching TV right now.
Huling sumalang sa hamon si Andre.
Putting myself last and confident in myself that I can push through this challenge.
That's my
Hi,
TV.
Andre. I miss you so much. I wanted to
It's
say
just a monitor
that
from
you're
my.
doing great inside bahay ni Kuya. You're doing good.
It's just a monitor
Be
from my.
strong. Believe in yourself. Don't give up. Your dreams is almost there. So, laban lang. Hindi
From my
susuko.
laptop.
Okay? I love you
Opo.
and I miss you.
Love you, Mom. I will fight. You really realize try to kind of adjust my strategy to slow down a bit, focus more.
Yeah, you don't have to worry.
1, 2,
It's just my background.
3. That's 1 minute.
Whoa.
1, 2, 3. Smerom oras, so
Did
not
they
using
really
the
do
big
that?
blocks. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up.
Matapos ang round 1, ilan nga kaya ang nakuha ang golden bars ng bawat big o true housemate?
Patuloy nating itatagulot ang hustisya tulad ng sa kaso ng ni Pina Banyaga. Sino nga ba ang may sala? Sandigang ilaw ng tahanan. Yan ang ating mga ina. Ngunit paano kung ang
Yeah, but nantok na ako. Mas okay na yung LS mo now, bro. Ah, kinailangan ko lang yung i-end yung isa. Kasi I believe it was nag-lag yun. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Nantok na rin ako. I'm a bit sleepy. Kasi it's already, it's like almost. Kaya nga, Ma'am Lilibeth, yung internet connection ko, it's really not that good. So, yun. I slept well last night. That's good to know. Um, I wish I can sleep well also tonight. Lilibet Paglinawan. Ang cute ni Sir. Cute? Grabe to si Ma'am Lilibet Paglinawan. Hi, Sean Smith from Ma'am Lilibeth. Always smile, sir. Hi, host. Hello, guys. Hi, Nida, you're back. Yeah. Pinagtatawanan ako nitong si Mon Santiago. Hello, sir, from Mel Olango. I'm back from Heidi and Ting. Yes, thank you for coming by sa LS ko po. Hi, Sir Chris. Thank you, Ma'am Heidi, for coming. Sean Smith hugs. That's not my background. Ano lang yan? It's like uh, my TV monitor. I connected it to my laptop. Hi, Sean Smith from Heidi and Ting. Wow, galing naman yun, bro. Di naman. Sakto lang. Good evening, Christoy from Vanji TV. Oh, yes, good evening also. From Heidi Inting. Hi, Vanji TV. Yeah, guys, I may need to end this live stream now because I'm getting very tired. So, I'm glad that you're here, staying to my live stream. Thanks for the support. And I couldn't thank you more for being here with me right now. Even though it's just a short live stream, it already means a lot to me. Thanks. Bye.